What are you trying to achieve by this? Nothing except everything. And I'm surprised. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has been Chief Minister earlier. He's been finance. He knows everything.
They will consult Department of Industry, they will consult Department of Information Technology, and more importantly, consult also the industries.
There are many people from the minority communities who have studied Urdu. They don't have Kannada in their school leaving certificate. So will they all be discriminated because they are not local? If you want to promote Kannadigas for jobs, spend more money on higher education. Train them, spend more money skill development, spend more money internships, spend more money on apprenticeship programs. Look at the definition of local. A local is a person who is born in Karnataka, domiciled for minimum 15 years, who can read, speak and write Kannada. Okay? And if you don't have Kannada as a third language in a school leaving certificate, it means that you have to pass a test from a nodal agency. Now look at me. Okay, I am born here. I've lived here all my life. I'm highly accomplished. I've done a very good job here. And if I go seek a job, if I don't have Kannada in my third language, I have to pass the test. Why should I pass the test? Who are there to tell me whether I'm a local or not? I'm a local. This state belongs to me. My city belongs to me. How can they define me and say they're a local? It's illegal. It's against the constitution, against the citizenship norms. And then they say you have taken nodal test. What test is that? Why should anybody take a test? Of course, I got third language Kannada in my school certificate, but I can speak Kannada, but I can't read and write as easily. They say fluently. I mean, how can it work? And then they say, for any enterprise who got more than 100 employees, there'll be a government representative on the recruitment committee. How can they put a government representative? Is licensed Raj? Karnataka is a very corrupt state. All these inspectors will go down and take money, and then you got all these violent elements in Karnataka will go down, beat up people and all that, and they do nothing. What have they done last time? Only after Farod they stopped it. Now this is draconian, illegal. There are no dearth of jobs in Karnataka. There is no discrimination against anybody. You ask any employer, when they hire people, they see whether you pass this test or you got a skill, whether you're a male or female, they don't care. Whether you come from anywhere, they don't care. So long as the Indian citizen, they give you a job. Now ask yourself, if you look at the conditions, whether you will be a local. There are many people from the minority communities who have studied Urdu. They don't have Kannada in their school leaving certificate. So will they all be discriminated because they are not local? They're beating their own constituents, own supporters.
Managing the safeguard of the Kannadiga people.
Look, there are more jobs than people. If you want to promote Kannadigas for jobs, spend more money on higher education. Train them, spend more money skill development, spend more money internships, spend more money on apprenticeship programs, so they all become skilled. Not like this. What are you trying to achieve by this? Nothing except everything. And I'm surprised. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has been Chief Minister earlier. He's been finance. He knows everything. D.K. Shivkumar, Deputy Chief Minister for Bangalore, he's trying to build brand Bangalore and everything. He knows. He's a business.
आज ये मैनेजमेंट के तौर पे 50% लोगों को रिजर्वेशन देने की बात हुई है और नॉन मैनेजमेंट लेवल में 70% लोगों को काम देने की बात हुई है। सरकार ये नहीं कि हम इंडस्ट्री को बहुत जोर से करना चाहते, यदि वो इस तरह का स्किल यदि अवेलेबल नहीं है वो बाहर से भी लेके आके वो लोगों को यहाँ काम दे सकते हैं। बट जब लोकली यहाँ स्किल अवेलेबल है उनको प्रेफरेंस करना करके सरकार की एक नया कानून लेके आने की कोशिश कर रही है।
क्या सरकार ने सर्वे किया है कि सब प्राइवेट सेक्टर में कितने कनाडिगास है, क्या है, कुछ सर्वे किया है? रिपोर्ट है? सर्वे
की रिपोर्ट नहीं, वो लोग कभी देते नहीं ना, प्राइवेट सेक्टर वाले आज तक तो नहीं दिए। सरकार के सब जब आते हैं तो सरकारों के साथ बहुत प्यार मोहब्बत से बिजनेस होती है एंड वो बिजनेस होना भी चाहिए। लेकिन इधर ये हम बता रहे हैं क्योंकि कर्नाटक में इतना स्किल अवेलेबल है, या मेड भी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज सबसे ज्यादा, ये मेडिकल कॉलेज इधर ही है, ITI बताइए, डिप्लोमा बताइए, इंटरनेशनल स्कूल्स है, सो इंटरनेशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स भी इधर आ रही है। सो जब आ रही है तो हम लोग ये बोल रहे हैं भाई 70% तक नॉन मैनेजमेंट में दीजिए, वहाँ यदि वो टैलेंट अवेलेबल नहीं तो बाहर से लेके आइए, सो 50% मैनेजमेंट में दीजिए।
सर, राज्य सरकार के इस कानून से मोहनदास पै, किरण मुजुमदार शाह वो सभी थोड़े खफा है, कुछ नाराज है, कुछ सरकार के खिलाफ जा रहे हैं।
नहीं, उनके अभी सरकार के खिलाफ नहीं है, ये बिल के खिलाफ है, सरकार के खिलाफ नहीं है। सो ऑब्वियसली उनके ऑपरेशन जो है, उनके जो जो भी राय है हम रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं उनको. वी विल टॉक टू देम, we'll understand in still a better way also.
The bill has been brought in by the Labour Department. They are yet to consult with the industry, the Minister of Industry and with Department of Information Technology. I'm sure that before coming up with the rules of the bill, they will have due consultations with the respective ministries and more importantly, a wider consultation with the industry. So there is no need to panic. We are going to safeguard the jobs for the state as well as encourage investments in the industries with their consultation.